With each passing day I feel more confident about my ability to create and develop the life I want. While others see barriers, I see the possibilities. Where others see barriers, I see opportunities and possibilities. I attract prosperity in expected and unexpected ways. I choose to stop suffering and break free from any bad or negative feeling that has affected me in the past. I deserve to live with comfort and prosper. I always put myself first. With each passing day I get an even more competent person. Future doesn't scare me anymore. The events of my past shaped me and turned me to the happy and accomplished person that I am today. I trust my instincts to do what is right. I am constantly in search of my personal and professional evolution. I am not controlled by fear or rejection. I feel the creative energy inside my heart. My ability to master challenges is unlimited. In my mind and in my heart there is only room for love, for forgiveness and understanding. The challenges strengthen me. I control my thoughts. I am constantly radiating success and prosperity. I am not a product of my circumstances, I am a product of my decisions. I have the willpower to accomplish anything I want. My confidence, self-esteem, and wisdom increase daily. In my mind there are only positive thoughts. The obstacles I faced throughout my life encouraged me to be even stronger and more persistent. My fears are not real. My thoughts are always at the rhythm of my goals. I am able to take care of yourself. My confidence, wisdom, and self-esteem increase with each passing day. I am intended to become an amazing and successful professional. I am in constant effort to raise my vibrations through good thoughts, words, and actions. I'm sure all my needs will be met. My mind creates experiences, and I am an unlimited being to create abundance for my life. Nothing or anyone can stop me from moving on. My thoughts are full of success and fortune. I am able to face my own battles. At that moment I abandon all the memories that blocked or prevented my happiness. I am able to do anything and anything. I know to be happy, and everything always works in my life. My mind is unshakable and remains solid in adversity. I have willpower to accomplish everything you want. I'm writing a new story of my life where fear has no place. I am able to deal with healthy way with my emotions. I am constantly in search of my professional and spiritual personal evolution. At that moment I clean my emotional of all the harmful and heavy feeling. All my trauma dissolves, the blockages fall apart, and the difficulties disappear from my way. My mind is in harmony with everything I want for my life. I am grateful to the universe for all prosperity and blessings present in my life. I have security in my emotions. I am intended for success and greatness. I am the creator of my reality. I was born to be happy, and I deserve that everything works out in my life. I have freedom and power to create the life I want. Everyone recognizes my work and my value. My mind does not accept negative thoughts. I never doubt my skills. All the things that have already happened in my life shaped me to become the person I am today. I am the protagonist of my life. All my negative thoughts were I am free from any negative thinking about myself, loving the person I am. My mind always remains quiet no matter what happens around me. Making decisions is love is part of my life. Everything I wish I easily achieve. I am free from any pessimism or bad thinking that has already gone through my mind by circumstances of the past. I have all the qualities to be successful. Everything is possible. Money flows in my life very easily and abundantly. Everything in my life will happen for my greatest good. I allow the new to manifest and open itself to the infinite possibilities of life. My life is abundant. I am a brave person. I am free from any bad feeling or negative thinking that has deeply affected me. Progress is part of my life. I believe in yourself and the power of the universe. I am in control of my thoughts. I can solve any problem that arises in my way. I'm ready to abandon negative thinking patterns. I believe in prosperity without limits. I have numerous qualities and I can achieve everything I want through them. I have complete control over my life. I am a focused and dedicated person and I will achieve all my dreams and goals. I believe in my actions and in itself. My life is constantly transformed for the better. My success is a reflection of my thoughts. I attract exactly what I want and need. I am an intelligent and capable person. I'm ready to ignore the thoughts that arouse fear. I remove all the bad ideas that have implemented about my future in my mind, so that I can realize all my dreams and achieve my goals. I open myself for unlimited prosperity. I make healthy and intelligent choices for my life. I am an organized person who sets goals and dedicates to achieve them. The universe always conspires in my favor. I eliminate the traumatic experiences that I lived in the past and break with the hate cycle caused by these memories. I stand out in the crowd. I liberate my mind of negative thoughts that at some point made me doubt my ability. I take actions to achieve my goals every day. I break free from the guilt of the fear of resentment and disappointments that were accumulated in my heart and my mind. I deserve joy and happiness. I eliminate any pessimism that has already gone through my mind in the past. My ambitions open the way to my success. I eliminate all the negative charge they have put on me and forgive the people who did it. I deserve to love and be loved. I live quietly and happy doing everything I want. I break free from all the resistance to money and allow it to flow happily to my life. I break free from all the limiting beliefs of all the thoughts that sabotaged or prevented my success. I choose to be at peace as my present and future past. I live in a pleasant atmosphere, happy and surrounded by good people. I break free from all my negative beliefs. I will renew my driver letter this year. I break free from all fears of the past. I will make sales with my online store. I break free from my past and open myself to prosperity and the total flow of life. I deserve good health. I choose to change the frequency of my thoughts to attract only good things to my life. My positive expectations attract positive experiences. I deserve a prosperous and abundant life. I see my success shining like the sunset in a frame. I sit well and happy. I can always control my thoughts and live without any anxiety. I always seek to satisfy my own needs first. Good things happen to me all the time. Formulate better objective thoughts is to build better rector. I always find ways to attract more money, and there is nothing wrong with that.